Welcome! If you've ever wanted to copy a specific message from your Instagram chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest, most up-to-date way to copy individual messages on Instagram step by step. Whether you need to save an important detail, share a funny quote, or just keep a record, this quick guide will help you get it done in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your chats. Tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen to access your direct messages. Scroll through your conversations and select the chat where the message you want to copy is located. Once you're inside the chat, look for the exact message you want to copy. Now here's the key step. Tap and hold on that message. After a brief moment, you'll see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, simply tap on the option that says Copy. That's it. The text from the message is now copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste the copied message wherever you need. Maybe you want to share it in another chat, save it in your notes, or send it to a friend outside of Instagram. Just tap and hold in any text box and select Paste to drop in the message you just copied. It's really that simple. No need for screenshots or complicated workarounds. With just a few taps, you can copy any individual message from your Instagram chat and use it however you like. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks on making the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.